So hi Kala, how have you been?
How, Kanchana? Good, thank you.
Yeah. So what did you do over the weekend?
Oh, I went to yoga and I was doing some hiking too. It was really cool.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So I just called you here to let you know that it's been great since you've been here. The project has been doing really well. We've been able to give out some really class deliverables, and the clients were very happy. And of late, I think we've even got some good feedback from the clients on certain aspects in the report, and I think that's brilliant. And I hear from the team that you came up with the initial portion of it and the ideation of the report, and it was nice. It was nice because it really became a tangible result, and I'm really happy with that. I'd like to congratulate you on having been able to settle into the company really well, and that's a really good thing that I wanted to tell you.
Thank you, thank you. I appreciate your point of view.
Yeah. Apart from that, I think past in the two financial reports, there was some number glitches in the report, and I hear that you took care of that portion of the report. So, do you have anything to say about that? The numbers being a bit different.
Yeah, what happened is that when I came here, I have like 2 months or something here now, and it took a while to have my laptop and all the tools and resources that I needed. So I wasn't able to finish all my numbers. So that's why maybe you can see some mistakes on it. But I apologize for that.
Yeah, but I don't see any such mistakes in any of the other reports. I mean, it's excellent. I would say the previous portions of it are completely good, you can see, but how come it happened just in this particular section of the report? I was just wondering.
Yeah,
Was there
well,
some-
like, to be honest with you, that now that we're talking and I appreciate your feedbacks, is that you know that I have a technical background, which is like really good for me. I know how to code and all this stuff, but when it comes with financial stuff, it takes me a little while like to understand all these numbers.
Okay,
So I've been having like some struggle. I've been struggling with it.
okay. So your manager is Varun, right?
Yeah.
Did he acquaint you with that particular Web 2.0 platform which has all the training material for the financial report? Were you able to go through that
No,
by
really.
any chance? No, not really. Okay, I'll make sure that I'll ask somebody to help you with that, so that you can acquaint yourself more with the software that's available at ABC Corporation. But do you think, other than that, anything else would be affecting you in being able to understand this aspect better?
I appreciate that you said that you will talk with them, with Varunda is my manager, because what happens is that I feel it's a little bit difficult for me to approach my teammates
Okay.
because I knew and they assume I already know how to do everything here. So it's a big challenge to have some time with them and talk with them and ask them to help me.
Okay.
So yeah, if you can maybe help me or give me some resources how to specifically how to do this,
Okay.
I would appreciate it.
Do you feel that the team is a bit hostile to you, or how is it?
Not like hostile in that terms, but I feel they're doing their stuff. They're working and they're busy, and I really don't want to bother them. And I feel a little bit shy, like helping, like asking for help. So I don't know. Maybe it's a two-way thing. So maybe you can just help me to talk a little bit like with them and let them know that I need some help in this specific financial stuff.
Yeah. So first off, Malena, I think technically you're really adept, and it would be a great loss for ABC if you're not able to confront your team with the ideas. So I would say that as a person, you seem to be very strong and very self-aware, but I think you're having some difficulty approaching people. I'll try to make this process as easy as I can for you. Maybe we should, I'll have an ice-breaking session with the team. I could probably have a team building session. Do you have any colleagues that you're really comfortable with in the team?
Well, with Changuru and Kaushik, I feel like more confident talking with them. So maybe they can just help me.
Yeah, sure. So what I could do is, maybe I could arrange some team activity for y'all, so that you can break the ice with Varun, and probably you'll who knows, maybe y'all will strike a good point with each other. Y'all can, you know, understand what are your common goals and common, because I feel that Varun is an exceptionally performing manager as well. He's highly, very, very technically adept, and it would be just very useful for you if you can interact with him more. And I think I need to provide you with that platform, and that probably I'll definitely take this as my next agenda to be able to help you, get in touch and be more close to your team. So, in terms of being at ABC for 2 months, what do you feel apart from? How do you feel? How is the experience?
The experience has been really good. I'm really happy with all the experience. And Vanu is a great manager. He helped me and he always give me all the directions and the instructions or whatever I need to say. I feel it's more like from my side that I'm not able to say to him like, I don't know how to do this.
Okay. So again, I'm telling you, you don't need to feel obliged to be silent, and you don't need to feel obliged to agree with everything that the team feels. Maybe what points you are coming across or putting forth, even though it's contradictory, maybe something that's really valuable to the team, and you need to, you know, step up to the occasion and have that courage to go and speak up.
That's true.
So that's one thing you could develop on. And also I feel that maybe I should set up another, or you should probably set up another meeting with Varun, and I can help you with that, and you can sit and discuss your next quarter's goals, so that you'd be more aligned with what is required of the project, and probably what is required of you in your professional career path as well. I think that would help you a lot. So you should book a meeting with Varun maybe sometime the next week, after probably I arrange this activity for you.
That's a great idea.
Yeah. So otherwise, apart from that, any resources that you want?
No, anything else. Like I'm really happy with all this.
Okay, that's great then, Carla. It's been nice to talk with you.
Thank you. I appreciate your feedback.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Bye.